Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Framer AI tool. First, Framer AI helps you generate page layouts and advanced components in mere seconds. This powerful feature allows you to bypass the daunting blank canvas, enabling you to begin your design process with confidence. You can create professional, fully custom websites without writing a single line of code, enjoying complete design freedom, a robust content management system, and integrated search engine optimization capabilities. To get started, leverage Wireframer to instantly generate design ideas by simply chatting with Framer AI. You will receive responsive pages complete with structure and starter content, all ready for your personal edits. This tool allows you to transform your initial concepts into detailed wireframes using either text descriptions or images. Plus, you can easily refine your designs and make adjustments by using straightforward natural language commands, making the process intuitive and efficient. Framer's design pages provide a freeform canvas, perfect for exploring multiple design ideas simultaneously. You can experiment with various layouts, typography, and visual styles, viewing them all side by side. This feature allows you to turn any design iteration into a fully responsive web page with just one click. The best part is that all your creative explorations remain in one centralized location, eliminating the need for messy imports or exports between different tools. Beyond core design, Framer AI enhances your workflow with powerful features. You can build third-party AI plugins to generate images or rewrite text, expanding your creative possibilities. The AI Translate tool can instantly translate your entire website into multiple languages, reaching a broader audience. Furthermore, you can craft responsive layouts and animate them with smooth effects, bringing your designs to life. Finally, manage and update all your site's content effortlessly using the integrated content management system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.